Hello, this is Ben Ames with DC Velocity, and we're here in Atlanta at Modex 2026. Today we're in the Dmw&H booth, and here to show us around a little bit and talk logistics is Jim McLafferty. Jim, thank you for having us in your place.
Hey, Ben, thanks for having me. Appreciate it.
So can we start off by talking a little bit about what Dmw&H provides and what brings you here to the show?
Sure. So Dmw&H is a leading system integrator, marrying technology, engineering, best solutions for our customers to solve their material handling and supply chain problems.
Gotcha. Important stuff. And so what in particular are you talking about this week?
So what we're showcasing here, we're really proud of, is two things. One, our SURF Dispensing System, and secondly, our indaGO warehouse execution system. SURF is important in that it provides an innovative means for dispensing product and fulfillment systems for a number of different industries. And it's run by indaGO, our warehouse execution system, which ties it all together to provide error-free picking, tracking control, information systems, and so on.
Yeah, you have to have the physical side moving the actual boxes, and then you have to have the brains making sure it all stays organized, right?
Yeah, that's exactly right. And by marrying those two together, we can do that, because as you just said, Ben, if you only have mechanical and no other in IT information, you're out of luck.
Are there any particular types or sort of verticals or sectors of users that this would be a best match for?
So there's a number of verticals, mainly full case picking. Your highest SKUs, highest moving SKUs, fulfillment. So what we've seen in wine and spirits, beverage, food and beverage, grocery, really anything with the case. As you can see here, we have diapers, we have beverage, water, we have groceries here, totes, but they also totes of apparel. So really anything that's case-based. It's expandable, scalable, and easy to start off low, make it more and more automated and larger.
Gotcha. I see the oranges going by us. That makes me hungry. Great. So, Jim, we were just looking at the physical side of moving the totes around, and now we're here to talk about the brains that control it all, right?
Exactly. And that's exactly what indaGO is the brains. It's for multiple vertical markets, and it controls multiple technologies and the IT systems from the customer. And it's very intuitive. This demo we have here has it broken up by roles, an operator, supervisor, and associate, so we can see what's going on, but they're all similar. But what's really key, and I'm not going to go into this too much, but you can show the kind of detail you can get. You can assign tasks, you can check stats, in this case on a sorter, we can toggle between sorters, and get the information that the operation manager may need to run this. So in general, it's the brains in real time, and it's also a information tool to provide the information that's needed to drive the facility's operation.
And that will let you optimize these things. You have to keep on making a little bit of improvement every day, right?
It's absolutely. It's flexible. It optimizes the operation, but it's continuously being updated from our purpose as we learn new things to keep this a cutting-edge tool that it is.
Really important stuff. So could you let us know as we leave here how folks can learn a little bit more about it if they're here at the show or if they're watching from home?
If they're here at the show, please stop by booth 14532, the Dmw&H booth, and we can go over this demo with our software experts. Otherwise, reach out to us on www.dmw&h.com.
Terrific. Thanks for bringing us up to speed. I appreciate it, Jim.
All right, thanks, Ben.
This has been Ben Ames with DC Velocity here at Modex 2026.